We just had a quick walkthrough looking for the number 7 and comparing number 7 to each and every element in the list. So if we have a look here at our algorithm, this is the algorithm. It's very simple. First of all, what we do is we start with the first item in the list and we compare the item to the target, which is what we're looking for. If it matches, then stop the search and move on to the next item in the list. Well, if it matches, then stop the search, but if it doesn't, move on to the next item in the list. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until the item is found or every other item has been checked, basically until you get to the end of the list and you've checked everything. If every item has been checked and the target has not been found, then it is not in the list. And obviously if you found it before that, you will have maybe broken out of the list or whatever. So just here's a simple example. Use a linear search to find the item cabbage in the following list. So we've got in index position 0, we've got tomato. In index position 1, we've got potato. In index position 2, we've got carrot. In 3, we've got cabbage. And in the final position, we've got onion. So what we do is we're going to compare the first item in the list, which is tomato, to the item that we're searching for, which is cabbage, our target. They don't match, so we're going to move on to the next item in the list. And we're going to compare now potato to cabbage. They don't match. Move on to the next item. We're going to compare carrot to cabbage. They don't match. Move on to the next item. We're going to compare cabbage to cabbage. They match. And we'll return the index or that of where we found cabbage, and we end the search. So that's as simple as what the linear search does. See you in the next video for some more analysis.